Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Achi soup. To our first time viewers, it's so good to have you here. Kindly like and subscribe if you like this video. To our returning viewers, it's really good to have you here. Welcome back. Lovelies, these are the ingredients we'll be using today. I have my Achi seeds. This is how it looks before it's been blended for the cooking. I have my Uziza leaf. It's well chopped. That's the vegetable of the day. I have my water snail. I have some cow skin neatly washed. I have some stockfish over here. I also have my goat meat. I have some crayfish. It's blended. I have some scotch bonnet pepper. I have some palm oil. I have some bouillon cubes, some onion. It's well chopped, and I have some neatly washed dry fish. So let's get into the cooking. Using my Krups dry ingredients blender, I'll be blending my achi into a powder form. Ensure to blend your achi into a powdery consistency in order to get the right texture when added to your soup. In an empty pot, I'll first pour my protein in. I'll season it with some scotch bonnet pepper, some onions, bouillon cubes, and some salt. Then cover and leave to simmer for 10 minutes. I'll pour my water snail into a separate pot. We'll season it with some bouillon cubes, some scotch bonnet pepper, some onions, and a pinch of salt. Cover and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. My meat is well steamed. I'll go in with some water. And then I'll cover it and still leave it to cook. I'll do same with my water snail. Add just very little water to it and then leave it to cook. My meat is well cooked. Time to go in with my cow skin, my stockfish, and my dry fish. To help it cook well, I'll have to add some water. And leave it to cook for 5 minutes. At this point, I'll be adding my water snail. Remember, I cooked the water snail separately. At this time, I'll be putting my palm oil, add my blended fish, and I'll then go in with my achi. After that, leave the pot open and let your soup simmer till you get your desired thickness. At this point, I've added my Uziza leaf into the soup. So I'll just stir it to combine. And you see how it looks? My achi soup is ready. I'll be having this with oat swallow. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be having this with.